Good morning, class. Yesterday we had discussed about Adolf Hitler and the Weimar Republic. Now we have seen that all the treasure and property was taken by the Allies country. Now here we'll discuss the effects of war. So the chapter is very much interesting, and paragraph wise, if you are making notes, then you can learn easily the chapter. So let's see what had happened afterwards. So the war had a devastating impact on the entire continent, both destruction take place, and the situation means they go worse. So it had happened there. So from the continent of creditors, Europe turned into the debaters. Means we know that this is one of the continent which is developed continents. The countries are developed, and sometimes it is used to call the creditors, but now it convert into debtors. मतलब जो लोग किसी को कर्ज देते थे आज वो कर्ज लेने वाले बन गए. ठीक है, you understand. So uniformity, the infant Weimar Republic was being made to pay the sins of the old empire. 1 minute. Here we were discussing, yes. Unfortunately, the infant Weimar, why it is called infant Weimar? Because it is a very short period of time that people start reacting towards it. Means they did not accept the Weimar Republic, and it was being made to pay for the sins of the old empire. Means why it has happened? So it was the people start cursing to the older one, like they have made this empire has gone finished, and now the you can say it has been converted into democratic republic. So the republic carried the burden of war, guilt, and national humiliation, was financially gripped by being the force to pay compensation. So whatever it has happened means the people start telling like what has had happened. It is because of that whole situation. So they being forced to pay the compensation means we know that Germany had to pay the compensation, and those वोटेड वेमर रिपब्लिक मतलब जिन्होंने वेमर रिपब्लिक को बनवाया था. ठीक है, उनके साथ क्या हुआ? मेनली हु वर अमंग देम, दे वर सोशलिस्ट. सोशलिस्ट मीन्स द पीपल who belong to some party. They were called socialist. Catholics, the people who belong to religion, and they followed the Catholic religion. And another were Democrats, who believe in democratic system. So became easy targets of the attack in the conservative nationalist cycles. सर्कल्स. तो इन लोगों को क्या किया उन्होंने? वो इनको कंजर्वेटिव सर्कल्स में रखना शुरू कर दिया. मतलब दीज वर द पीपल हु वर फुली एक्यूज टू मेक द वेमर रिपब्लिक, एंड दे वर mockingly called the November criminals. Sometimes this question come in exam, who were November criminals. So you will write like November criminals were socialists, Catholics, and Democrats. So here they used to call November criminals. Why November criminals? Because November, in the month of November, Weimar Republic was formed. So this mindset had major impact on the political development of the early 1930s as well as soon see. So mindset means whatever people thinking about, they particularly the notion of them like November criminals who are socialist democrats, they were totally accused for that, had major impact on the political development. तो all development effect, because जितना भी था इस सब चीज़ों का असर पड़ा वो 1930s तक, जो कि देखने को भी दिखता है. So the First World War left a deep imprint of the European society and polity. तो फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर ने अपना एक बहुत इम्पैक्ट जो था वो यूरोपियन सोसाइटी पर छोड़ा. ठीक है, हर कोई क्या था? इट वॉज रनिंग फाइनेंशियली वीक. फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस could be seen everywhere in European countries. The soldiers came to be placed above the civilians. Soldiers need for फॉर मेन एन एग्रेसिव स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड मैस्कुलिन। ये भी कहा जाने लगा कि अपनी इमेज को बरकरार रखने के लिए यहाँ पर हर सोल्जर्स का जो बहुत है सिविलियन पे इम्पोर्टेंस दिखाई देने लगी। और पॉलिटिशियन अब क्या पब्लिसिटी कर रहे थे, पब्लिसिटिस्ट लाइक लेड ग्रेट इंटरेस्ट ऑन नीड टू बी मैन एग्रेसिव, कि दे वांट सच काइंड ऑफ सोल्जर्स इन द आर्मी, like they should be aggressive, they should be strong and masculine, means better they can fight in the next war. So this was the aim of the government. And the media glorified the trench life. Trench life, we know that the army life is not easy. So whatever the you can say atrocities or the torture, or you can say in what kind of atmosphere they were living, it has been shown, it made popularized. Glorified करना मतलब उस चीज़ को बहुत limelight highlight करके दिखाया गया. So the truth, however, was that soldiers lived miserable lives in the trenches. Trenches बोलते हैं कि मतलब एक तरीके से गर्त में रहना या बहुत डेप्थ में रहना, पिट्स में रहना, like all. तो trapped with the rats feeding the corpse. मतलब इतना horrible situation था कि side by side the people are dying and the people are doing their duty over there. So they faced poisonous gas and enemy shelling and witnessed their rank reduced rapidly. यहाँ तक कि उनको मतलब बहुत बुरी कंडीशन में रखा जाता था, जहाँ से जहरीली गैसेस पास होती थी, ठीक है। अब जब लाशें पड़ी होंगी, चूहे घूम रहे होंगे, तो आप सोच सकते हो कितना वर्स कंडीशन होगा। सो इट विटनेस देयर रैंक रिड्यूस रैपिडली। तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि उनका जो मतलब नंबर ऑफ पीपल है दे विल बी रिड्यूस। एग्रेसिव वॉर प्रोपेगेंडा एंड नेशनल ऑनर ऑक्यूपाइड सेंटर स्टेज इन द पब्लिक स्फेयर। अब ये भी दिखने लगा एग्रेसिव वॉर प्रोपेगेंडा, मतलब इसके साथ यानी सिम्टम्स दिखाए जाने लगे। तो पब्लिक स्फेयर वाइल पॉपुलर सपोर्ट ग्रू फॉर कंजर्वेटिव डिक्टेटरशिप, यहाँ तक कि लोग अब इस चीज़ में भी बिलीव कर रहे थे कि रिपब्लिक नहीं चाहिए, एम्पायर हट गया है, मोनार्की हट गई है, नाउ वी वांट डिक्टेटरशिप, कि डिक्टेटरशिप तो आनी ही आनी है। दैट हैड रिसेंटली come into being and democracy was indeed a young and fertile idea। मतलब डेमोक्रेसी तो क्षण भर के लिए वहाँ आई और उसके बाद उसको जाना ही है। विच कुड नॉट सर्वाइव द इंस्टेबिलिटीज ऑफ इंटर वॉर यूरोप, विच कुड नॉट सर्वाइव मतलब जब ये वॉर होगा तो हो सकता है ये सब चीज़ें टिके ही ना, ख़त्म हो जाए। तो द पीपल वर वांटिंग और द पीपल वर विशिंग फॉर dictatorship in country. The democracy was a fertile idea for them. So till here we'll discuss in this video. In the next video we'll see the next segment. Thank you. Have a nice day.